Hello, everyone, and it is Tuesday, February 15th. So here's our do now. In the satellite photo above, there's a canyon with a river tracking through the bottom. Scientists have discovered glacial striations here and believe the canyon was formed by glaciers millions of years ago. If erosion and weathering continue to happen, what could likely happen to this river and its surroundings? Well, yes, as long as the glacier continues, the river continues to cut, we're going to have erosion. As long as we have wind and water, we're going to have erosion. And through that time, that the river could move, shift here and there where it cuts. We could start to see some more fertile land because of the breakdown of the rocks and minerals and soil. So lots of cool things. So today, I will interpret topographic maps, predict erosion and weathering patterns. I can interpret a topographic map looking for elevations, peaks, valleys, and depressions, and understand and predict where erosion will likely take place more quickly or slowly based on a map. Kind of a further extension of yesterday. So yesterday, if you didn't have the chance to finish slides 22 through 23, you need to spend the next 15 minutes doing that. You must at least finish slide 23 because the more you finish, the better you will do on the quiz that we're going to have on Thursday. And these are just a review of those slides. We talked about these yesterday. If you're stuck, go into here. Let's look at these. Point F. So if the contour interval is 20 and I'm 1 down, so 300 minus 20 is 280 meters. Very good. G, 1, 2, that's 40. So 200 minus 40, that's 160. Very good. And H, see 400 minus 40, 360. Very good. Highest point here, though, is 431 feet. There's the little symbol. Widely spaced contour lines do mean gentler slopes. Closely spaced means steeper. And so here on the steep side, we would have a lot more erosion happening because gravity would help us and take over a lot more than usual. Here's the next slide. We did this one yesterday. All right, so you're going to work with partners if you were here, and they sorted cards. They took topo maps and kind of made and looked for physical matches. And we talked a little bit about how the physical and chemical and biological weathering. So trees are biological. Chemical is usually acid rain. Physical would be those rocks falling. That they can reshape landforms. And that's pretty cool. All right. And then in here, there's a Kahoot. So if you look into today's assignments, I'm going to publish a Kahoot right now. So that Kahoot is right here. So in your class, so let's not go to my class. Let's go to your class. Let's go to first period today. So in assignments, you're going to click on assignments. I'm going to publish that Kahoot. You're going to open 2 tabs. In Topo Maps here, you're going to click on this. You know how to go into, you open a tab and you just put in Kahoot, join, and you'll click on the enter a game pin. And then if you go back to Schoology, here's your game pin right here. Each class has their own pin because we're taking this for an assignment grade. All right. So I want to hope you guys all have a great. Oh, and here's our exit ticket. On the topo map above, there is a river valley that is not clearly marked. What signals that there is a river valley? The white line, the contour interval, the V shapes surrounding the river, or the cliffs. We said before the V shape. So that is going to be what you're going to use. All right. You guys have a great day, and we will see you all on Wednesday, Thursday for the block day. Oh, I'm sorry. It's C days this week, so we'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.